Hey guys, Jaime from Smart Broadcast. Today I'm going to talk about the JK Audio adapter and how easy it is to use so you never miss a broadcast again. So now we've all walked into a press box blind and not sure exactly what there is, Ethernet, power, especially some of these older high school stadiums or even some D3, D2 colleges that I've walked into, and sometimes there's no phone line. So a couple of reasons, there just might not be a phone line, or it might be a phone system where you have to dial certain codes to get out, or they might have a special code to call long distance that you need to type in, and that might not work with your equipment, or they just don't do outgoing long distance calls. So when you're trying to call your station, basically it's not going to work and you can't broadcast the game. So JK Audio sells this adapter right here, and it's basically a 1/4 inch to a 3.5, and it plugs right into the back of your JK Audio mixer, and it goes right here where it says wireless phone. Plug it in right here, and then you get the 3.5 and you plug it into your phone. So it's as simple as that to set up. And what this does, it takes all your audio going into your mixer and it sends a signal into your cell phone, so then you can call the station and get on the air that way. It's really that simple, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.